Mastering the phrase, about face, in English. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we journey through the English language together. Today, we're going to unpack a military term that has marched its way into everyday language. About face. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it, then you're in the right place. Let's march forward and turn our attention to about face. About face is a phrase that comes straight from the parade ground. Originally, it was a military command that instructed soldiers to turn around 180 degrees to face the opposite direction. Imagine standing still and then turning around so that you are facing the exact opposite way. That's an about face. But it's not just for soldiers. In everyday language, when someone does an about face, it means they have changed their opinion, position, or approach completely. It's as if they were walking in one direction in their mind or attitude, and suddenly, they turn around and head the other way. Let's see about face in action with some examples. After arguing for hours, she did an about face and agreed with me. The company did an about face on its return policy, offering full refunds instead of store credit. Notice how in both cases, there's a complete reversal, just like the physical turn in the military command. Here are some tips to ensure you use about face correctly. 1. Complete reversal. Use about face only when there's a total change of direction or opinion. 2. Formality. It's a phrase that can be used in both formal and informal contexts, but it might sound a bit dramatic in casual conversation. 3. Verb phrase. It often follows verbs like do, make, or pull, as in do an about face, make an about face, or pull an about face. And that's an about face on about face. We hope this video has completely turned your understanding around on this phrase. Now you can confidently use about face in your English conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next language adventure. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Keep practicing, and see you soon.